This is the revision video for the GCSE English Literature Component 1 paper, which includes 2 sections, Shakespeare and Poetry. In total, this exam is 2 hours. This revision video will focus on Section A, which is Shakespeare. Now, once you've filled in your front cover, you will have to turn to the Shakespeare play that you have studied. Everybody has studied Macbeth, so please make sure that when you come to sit your exam, you all turn to Macbeth. Do not answer a question on a Shakespeare play that you have not studied. So, you'll turn over the pages until you find the question on Macbeth, and it will look something like this. Now, you will notice that there are questions and that there is an extract. You must always read the questions first. So, there are 2 questions, Part A and Part B. Part A will say, read the extract on the opposite page. As you read the question, underline the key part. So underline the word extract. What does this extract show an audience? Another key word that you should underline. About, and then it will give you something to focus on. It might be a character, a theme, or a relationship. It could be absolutely anything. Whatever it is, underline it so that you know what your focus is. And it will say at this point in the play, so it only wants you to focus on that extract. It will say refer closely to details from the extract to support your answer. Now, once you've read that question and you've underlined the key points as so, then you can read the extract, and as you read it, you can underline key quotations that you think are relevant to that question. Now, you will notice that Part A is worth 15 marks, and it tells you to spend 20 minutes on that question. Please do not spend any longer. Once you've answered that question, then you can have a look at Part B. Part B could be based on anything. Again, it could be a character, it could be a relationship, or it could be a theme. Again, underline the key words in the question, whatever that question may be. For this question, obviously, if there's anything relevant in the extract that you can use it, but also you should be using quotations from across the play. So this is where you will have to use quotations that you have memorised in your revision. Only use quotes that are relevant to the question being asked. Now, you'll notice that this is worth more. It's worth 25 marks, and therefore you are asked to spend 40 minutes on that question B. Also, please note at the bottom here, it says for Part B, 5 of this question's marks are allocated for accuracy in spelling, punctuation, and the use of vocabulary and sentence structures. That means for this Part B question that you spend 45 minutes on, you must take care over your spag and you must proofread it afterwards. In both of these questions, please ensure that you are writing in peel paragraphs using quotations that are relevant, that you are using subject terminology in your answer, and that you are thinking very thoughtfully about the question being asked to you and focusing on it throughout your response. Thank you.